Hello friends, this is Sakina and welcome to my channel Designer Planet. Yes, today I am talking about best car vacuum cleaner brand. In this video I will share with you the brand and pricing and some special features. So guys, before going to start, please subscribe my channel if you are new guys, and please follow me on Instagram. Okay guys, let's start the video. First brand is Black Docker. Its power has an awesome build quality and it comes with a great set of connector, a long cord and a hose, and is a very reasonable price. It has a 12.5 watt motor which is highly efficient in getting rid of the dust and dirt inside your car. The package includes crevice tool long and crevice tool short, and a pouch, fabric brush and a carpet brush, and it has a double action filterization system. There are a total of 3 different versions available in the same kind of to get the perfect deal, and it has a small adapter which will fit perfectly into the cigarette lighter socket. The twin filterization system will enhance the performance and increase the life of the vacuum cleaner. The product was as per the specification and the medium size car, and it can be vacuumed in 15 to 20 minutes. The cable length is long enough to reach the rear seat area, and the vacuum can run for 15 minutes without getting heated. It is compact in size and consumes very low power. There is no need to power on the vehicle. It is an elegant looking product with a very powerful motor that is capable of picking up particulate. This vacuum cleaner comes with 2 extensions, and it has a 3-stage filterization system, and it can be used for both dry and wet. Next car vacuum cleaner brand is Verjuman. This car vacuum cleaner is powered by a powerful 150 watt motor with 100% copper bonding and offer high suction capacity. And it comes with a 5-meter cable and can be powered using the cigarette lighter port. The vacuum cleaner offers a run time 30 minutes. And now let's talk about its body. The body of the vacuum cleaner is made of unbreakable plastic that can function for a lifetime and does not need any kind of replacement. This device has 3 parts: hose pipe, nozzle and a brush. The nozzle is used for cleaning the parts of the car. The brush is used for the seat, and the hose pipe attaches smoothly to both these attachments in case you need an extension. Now let's talk about its warranty. It comes with 1 year of warranty from the date of purchase. Other brand is RNG vacuum cleaner. It is one of the expensive choice for the price point, and it has a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, means that you can clean any kind of dirt. The suction power is good enough to remove water from the surface of the seat. It has all the basic features like a long wire, lightweight design and LED light help in the night operation for the vacuum cleaner. Next brand is IGRID car vacuum cleaner. It is powered by a 4000 PA motor and is made using ABS material, and it comes with a 4-meter cable, can be powered using the car cigarette lighter port. It comes with a stainless steel HEPA filter that is usually washable, and it comes with a bagless design, so you don't have to worry about changing the dust bag. The motor can run on 12 watt. The machine comes with some accessories for areas which are hard to reach during cleaning. These include a service tool, square brush and an extension pipe. Now talk about its warranty. It comes with a standard over 1 year warranty. It is a very stylish model and that has 100 of positive reviews. However, the company does not mention the warranty policy clearly. So guys, these are some popular brands for car vacuum cleaner. And for more detail, you can visit my blog and my website. My blog is www.designerplanet.blogspot.com and my website is designerplanet.in. Before purchasing any product, guys, please compare the price from other website and read all feature and specification carefully. So guys, this was today's video. I hope our video help you to choose the best product for your budget. And guys, if you have any queries, please comment me and you can DM me on Instagram. And link has been given in the description box. Please follow me on Instagram for latest deal and update. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So guys, see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.